Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Samuel Okoyocha. Today is 14th day of March 2021. The time now is 2:15 p.m. West African time. And today's analysis, I will be a bit fast for two reasons. One, there is no power supply now, and my laptop battery might not carry me for so much analysis. Secondly, I want to cover many pairs. I want to cover dollar index, Euro USD, Euro JPY, Euro AUD, Euro NZD, Euro CHF, Euro CAD, USD CAD, USD JPY, USD CHF, AUD USD, gold, silver, New Zealand USD, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, Ripple, Litecoin, Dogecoin, and other pound pairs. GBP, JPY, UBUSD, GBP CHF, GBP CAD, GBP NZD, GBP ZAR, GBP AUD, NZD CAD, NZD JPY, NZD CHF, USD ZAR, US 100, NASDAQ, and USD 30. So I will be a bit fast, and I may not show you all the 1 hour chart. I may end up giving you only 4 hours and daily for some pairs, and most of the pairs will be only 4 hours. I will show you. So please bear in mind that this analysis is my own personal view. It's not a recommendation for buy or sell any asset. So somebody was blaming me about Bitcoin, that he watched my video and sold his Bitcoin at 58,000 something plus and made a loss. And I was wondering, if you sold your Bitcoin at 58,000 plus and made a loss, how much did you buy? It means you bought it when it was about 60,000, which to me is not the good time to buy. I'm just telling you my own opinion, not telling you what to do. You do with your business, your trade, whatever you seem is right for you. But for me, Bitcoin and others, you buy low, you sell high, you make profit. You can buy high and it goes higher, you make profit. But most of the time, whenever the price is high, it will go down. So don't blame me that I am saying it will go down. And I was saying that I will only buy when I see it go down. I didn't tell you not to buy. So now it is 6,000 plus. If you like, you can buy. One thing is sure, tomorrow it may go to 70,000 and 80,000. Tomorrow it may go up there to 30,000. So it's your money, not my money. So I start. DXY. You can see DXY. What I'm expecting is a further move up. But for that, before that, I want to see 3 waves pull back. We have gotten first wave, second wave. When we get third wave around 91 point something, then I will buy, targeting 93.5. Euro USD is always opposite to DXY, that dollar index. So I am looking for sell. I'm looking for this A, B. I'm looking for C. So in my opinion, US dollar is going down to 1.7 or below. So for now, not that I am selling right now. I want to see 3 waves pull back before I sell. Okay, this is daily can. Let me go to 4 hours. Okay, this is what I'm looking for. I want to see A, B, C. This is A already. The B will develop in WXY or a smaller ABC. Then I will sell. So what I'm trying to say, if I see a good buy setup around here, that's around here, I will buy to complete the last leg of wave B, which will likely eliminate around to 1.2, 1.21. Then the selling will go down. It will be a very nice sell. It will be a similar move to this like A. So I think it will be an interesting trade if you can catch the wave C, because you make a lot of money from it. We move on the 1 hour chart, you can see the way it is moving. So I expect a sharp drop, something like this, to drop again, and a similar move like this, that is A, B, C, before a heavy drop. I'll show you in 4 hours. Euro JPY, it's been going up for a long time now, and I'm expecting a drop like this from here. If it doesn't happen, I will not buy. I'd rather, if I see a good setup, to sell. Like if it close below this level, if it close below this level, so I want to see a close below this level, then I will sell to this place. So that's my own opinion on that. The 1 hour chart, no difference from what I've seen before. Only still the close above here. Okay, it's somewhere there with whether I will sell or not. So watch out for sell setup. This is 1 hour. Maybe here is a better place to sell. The price will go down. So before I talk about buying Euro JPY, I will see a drop, something like this. To make it, that is A, B, C. So that's what I'm looking for before I sell Euro USD. Sorry, Euro JPY. Okay. Euro AUD. Euro AUD. In my last analysis, I'm looking at this as wave 1, and this wave 2, then 3, 4, 5. But from what I'm seeing right now, I think we will have a further down. That is, this is now A, B, C. So I'm looking for, when this top is broken, if I see better top, I will buy. But when this top is broken, I will close my buy and sell. And I'm of the opinion that this low will be taken out. Once I see buy setup from here, I will buy, close it here, and sell to break this very low. So for now, this is A, this is B, and this will be C, because of what I saw on daily chart. Sorry, I can't show you that daily chart now because of time, and to label all this takes a lot of time. If I am to label all the charts, which means I will be only analyzing about 8 to 10 pages. But you can see I want to cover as many as possible. So the 4 hours of Euro AUD, I have explained it. Furthermore, if this is wave 1 and this is wave 2, I would like to see the alternate move. If I see a sharp move, when the price, for instance, I know the price will still come down here. Then from here, if I see a sharp move, similar like this very move, then I will be comfortable that this wave 2 is the real count. But for now, I am looking for, I'm seeing it as this is A, and this is B, and C will be somewhere here, and the move will break the current low. Okay, so we move Euro New Zealand. In my opinion, this one is with this current move is still going down. So we're gonna see this as A, B, C. So when this completes, when this move completes, we will have a kind of complete triangle, zigzag, and we will sell to break this low. Maybe after this low is broken, we might see a reason to buy up again. So for 4 hours, do I have the 1 hour candle in the chart? Okay, the same thing, we are seeing the same thing. Now you can see we have a broken channel already, so buying can make sense, but the stop loss will be here. So if you want to buy it, it's a good trade, but the stop loss will be here. So it might be moving like this till it gets this place, and then it will sell. Okay, Euro chef, forget about my labeling because I don't have time. This is not a proper ABC, but I'm trying to show you that we're looking for 3 waves. That's only the meaning, but labeling this as ABC is not proper. So forget about the numbering. What matters the direction the market is going. So I'm expecting a drop and a move and a buy towards 1.13. So in 4 hours, I'm seeing this to be a kind of zigzag. That is the wave B. Wave C to make a zigzag before we buy to where our target will be. We have seen this wave A, this down move. The other down move is what we are expecting before we buy. So a drop and a buy. To sell this pay is good. Let me see what we have in 1 hour. If the 1 hour is here. Okay, 1 hour is here. All right, very good. So you can see in this 1 hour, this very channel has provided a setup. When the price breaks it and makes a correction, then we sell towards this place, and after selling we close it around 1.1 and look for buy. Don't just buy from here. We need to see a buy setup before we buy, but because this move can go down as low as breaking this very low, so be careful. Eurocard make a kind of surprise. I didn't expect this very move down here, but you can see it's happened. That's one of the reasons I always tell you to wait for a setup. We have a buy setup, we have a sell setup. If you want to know all these things, join our Telegram channel. We teach some things free. But if you want to learn what we are doing, you join the students class. You only pay little money. Okay, so I'm still looking for a further down. I'm looking for a little move up, a further down towards this very trend line, or inside this blue box is where I expect some move up. Okay, this is the 4 hours. So once we get some move up, then we have to have a sell setup. Maybe if you get a channel, when price is moving like this, it will be a channel, and once the channel is broken, we sell. Then we look for buy setup around here to know when we will buy towards this place, and then we sell again. As the market develops, we know the one to do and the one not to do. 1 hour and 4 hours, no difference. Just in 1 hour, I plotted another channel. The channel of 4 hours, you can see, is very far. In 1 hour, the market might be moving within this channel. For the meantime, maybe this can be a support, or here we may have a big another big buy to this very channel again before we get the final move. So both channels, the 1 hour and 4 hours, they are all useful. For those that trade intraday, the 1 hour channel can serve as what we'll be looking up to. For swing traders, you can ignore the 1 hour channel. The 1 hour channel can give us a setup, a reason to buy or a reason to sell. For instance, if we suddenly see a strength, a sharp move up, then this 1 hour channel will serve as a kind of confirmation. If we see a sharp move up and the break of this channel and the correction towards there, then we can buy. So that's all. USD card. USD card is just similar to the other pair I have analyzed. I've been seeing this move as I've been seeing it as 1 ABC 2, but I changed the count because I can see that USD is very weak. So here, if you watch my video last week, you see that I placed here as wave 5, but I've changed the count. Here is now wave 3. So what we expect to happen here is that since this low have been broken, once we get a buy setup from here, we can buy. Once this high is broken, we will likely get it might come up to this very high. We may have a running flat, which means this move can stop somewhere here. Then another wave 5 will begin and go down. Hope you get what I said. This, I thought this is wave 1 before, but I can see because of the move what happened here. I expected this move to end here. That's why before I see it as wave 2. Then here is I see it as wave 1. But now, since it has broken the low, it's no longer wave 2. Rather, it is wave B, and when we get wave C, maybe around here or around here, then we look for sell towards the low. So get it correct. USD JPY have been going up. Of course, we said we saw it before, and I think we started buying it from here. We bought here, closed here, and I think we bought here again, either here or here, somewhere around here. And I took my profit here. Now I want to see A, B, C. I want to see an A, B, C. It's not a must that it will happen. That's what I'm looking out. That's what if I see the ABC, another drop, then I will have confidence to buy again. Not that it can't be going up from here again. It can, but if it's continue going up from here, I will not buy. That's when I say I'm giving you my own opinion. I want to see a kind of a flat or a zigzag. Though it can only be a flat because the price is already at the top. So, or maybe I want to see a running flat, maybe a move up here, then a drop like this, which will be a running flat. From that place, I will take a buy, but I cannot buy it just from here. It doesn't make sense to me. For those who want to buy, you buy. But if I enter if I see a running flat or a zigzag or a flat, then I will buy maybe around here. Then stop loss will be here. It will be a good trade. So I always look for a good trade, not just a trade. USD CHF and USD JPY, the same thing. I'm looking for A, B, C. So when I see this is A, this wave B might have finished, it might still push a little more, then I want to see a drop towards 0.92. From here I look for buy. Okay, my opinion, the way I trade is what I'm sharing with you, not a recommendation on how you should trade. But of course, if you've been watching my video for the past months, or maybe for 6 months now, you might have confidence in my analysis, and you are free to follow me. You are free to trade the way you like, and I'm just sharing my own opinion. AUD USD, I cannot take this as wave B. This is wave A, is strong, so I cannot take this as wave B, and this wave C. So I think this up move have ended. I want to see wave C complete, because this is too short to be wave C. Wave A and C is always of the same length. So what I'm expecting is a drop from here. Then I will look for buy. If I see buy set up within the blue box. Okay, so I think the 1 hour candle is here. Let me check. Okay, I didn't show the 1 hour chart, but if you open the 1 hour chart, you can see that this very channel have been broken properly. I don't know why I didn't put it. Okay, because of time I didn't show the 1 hour chart, but in 1 hour you see that this very channel have been broken and tested. So what you need to do is try to figure out how you can trade it from here. That's what I want to do. Once the price come up below this place, 0.7777 something, then I will sell and target this place. Gold. Some people are waiting for gold to continue to buy. In forex, you must be patient. If not, you will be losing. When this thing was happening, I said I will not buy now. And you can see this can be wave 1 and this can be wave 2 of the bullish cycle again. But in my opinion, I see this as A, this B. We're gonna have wave C, then wave 5 will drop. I still see this as wave A, this as wave B, and this as wave C. So I'm expecting a drop after a move like this, a drop. So to me, gold is still coming down to 1620. That is my own opinion. Gold is still coming down to 1620, 1600. Alternatively, if we get a sharp move like this, then something like this begin to happen. What does that mean? The wave 5, last time this wave 5 is here, but from what I saw in the chart, I shifted this to be here. What I saw showed me that wave 5 is not over, but market can change anytime. So if we get a sharp move and a correction, then I have no other choice than to buy. But for now, I'm expecting a corrective move towards this channel and a sell. Okay, I think the next is silver. Silver is not selling aggressively as gold, but nevertheless, I'm expecting a move up and a drop. That's all. New Zealand USD. I'm expecting a drop, a further drop in this pair. but it might be so deep, but maybe something like this, maybe something similar to this drop is what I'm expecting, maybe somewhere here. So I'm only looking about sell for now on euro or on USD. I forgot where is my 4 hours, or did I forget it? Oh my god. Oh, sorry, I didn't place I didn't snap the 4 hours. Okay, but if time permits, I will go to the live chat and show you 4 hours. But you have seen what I mean. We are looking for another drop. Bitcoin, this is where I have problem with some people. See, if I have time, I will show you. Okay, now let me tell you something, and I'll tell you very fast. Bitcoin is going up, yes. I'm expecting a good drop, either now to 50,000, 48,000, 47,000, or it may keep going up. It may keep going up gradually. But once it comes into this blue box, I am expecting that kind of drop. So either it go up before dropping, or it drop before it go up. I will prefer if it drop before it go up, because once it drop and go up, it will drop again. Now let me tell you something. For those who are not forex traders, mostly those who are not trading margin, when they hear that Bitcoin is going, they will jump in. How can somebody be blaming me that I said that Bitcoin will drop to 40,000 or for 2,000? That's what I expected. And what is funny is that he said that he sold at 58,000 plus. I made a loss, which means he bought it when it was 60,000. I didn't get him. So, and in the past, Bitcoin went to $20,000 and later dropped to 3,900, 4,100. Calculate it. It is about 70% sell-off. Who told you it can happen again? It can happen. I won't be surprised if Bitcoin begin to go down and go down to 20,000. I won't be surprised, because such have been happening in crypto industry. There was a time Ethereum sold off to about 90-something%. So when I made my analysis and share my opinion, if you don't get it, you may ask me a question, not blaming me that you sold and the market is going up. No, it's my own opinion. How I trade. I can't buy Bitcoin here. That's my own idea. I can't buy Bitcoin here. Even if it is going up to 100,000, I would regret that I didn't buy, because I know that I can buy it and tomorrow it will go down. I watch structure before I buy. I watch structure. This is what I'm looking up to, a structure that will give me a reason to buy. If I don't get it, I don't have to buy. So you can buy. It's your money. It's your trade. After all, if you make money, profit, you are not giving me the profit. And if you lose, that lose is not coming to my pocket. So why should I want you to lose? I want you to gain. If your loss will be my profit, maybe you say that you lose, I gain it. So what should I want you to lose? So trade with care, trade according to your own conviction. 1 hour in Bitcoin. Once what we can find that the selling to this place has begun is when this channel is broken. Maybe if something like this happens and breaks here, then it can come down. But if it's coming here and bounce off, then it continue going up. For instance, let me show you. This is a bounce off. You can see the price come here and bounce off. It tried to come here and bounce off and can continue going up. So you see this candle. That's how a bounce off candle looks. So when you see the price come to this place and you see this type of candle, forget about it breaking this, at least for the moment. Okay. Ethereum, yeah, this is the blue box where we period that it will go down from. You can see another push up. From here, I am looking for selling. To confirm the sell, I want to see price close below this place. That's when I will say that selling is coming. Though, if you want to buy, you can buy. But for me, I want to see this type of structure. Then I will buy. Okay? So I'm trading about the swing patterns and structures. So don't misunderstand me. It may continue going up. But if it continue going up like this, I continue watching it until I see a reason to buy. So that's it. Binance coin. No much talk on this. It's according to our forecasted blue box. Once we get a break of this trend line, then the selling will be confirmed. And when the price comes inside here, we watch for buy setup. If you see buy setup, we buy. If you don't see buy setup, we keep watching to know if we see sell setup, because it can come here and give us another sell setup. Then we sell again. Don't be frightened when you hear that the price of coin will go down, because it will be going down. It will be going up and going down. So don't think that I'm a pessimist. No, I'm not. I'm just talking out of experience and what I saw on the chart. The same thing. When here breaks, we sell. Nothing more. Repos. Now for repos, I expected to see a sharp sell after this line is broken. I want to see something like this, then a move like this, and I move, but it didn't happen. So right now, I have no idea what repo will do. Whenever you see this type of move, whenever you see this type of move, anything can happen. But one thing is sure, I will not buy repo from here. Before I buy repo, I want to see a drop like this, a sharp drop like this. If I don't see it, I won't buy repo. So today, I got your own idea. Litecoin, the same thing. On Litecoin, before our blue box is here before. Here is where our blue box is before on Litecoin. But the market went up far above what we expected. Nevertheless, as I said earlier, I am looking for setup and structure. So once this wave is wave A, I want to see this wave, and this is wave B. I want to see wave C to give me a good structure before I talk about. And I want to see a buy setup. Then I will buy. If not, I will have patience until I see a good setup. Okay. Because of time, I could not make all the charts in picture. So right now I will start where I stopped. I stopped at Litecoin, but pardon me, I will not go to Doge and ETN because my laptop battery is just 1 hour. So let me rush other page that is more important. Okay, pounds JPY. Pounds JPY. Just as I always say, I want to see a drop similar to this kind of drop. If you give me a good structure, then I will look for buy. Now, two things. It is either it will happen now. Once it breaks this line properly, then it will happen. It may still go up little by little into the blue box, but I don't think this move will continue after this blue box without the sell-off happening. So I'm looking for a sell towards this very price range. So 150, 149 is what I'm looking for. In fact, sorry, I'm looking for the drop between 149 and 148 before I look for buy. Okay, we move on. I won't give you 4 hours 1 hour chart is the same thing. Okay, pounds USD. Just as I pointed out on, I think in New Zealand, I forgotten, but this is with A. If you last week I labeled it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then with B is either have ended here, or maybe it may still do something like this. But in any case, with C will drop either from here or from here. So what I'm trying to say is that we are looking for sell setup to complete the correction on wave C before we look for buy. So let me see if I can switch show you 1 hour chart. But I want to post this video before my laptop goes off. You can see 1 hour. You can see on 1 hour that we already have a kind of strong move. So we may have something like this, then we sell. So watch for A, B, C, we sell. Okay, that's all for for pounds USD. Pounds CHF. Pounds CHF and pounds yen. Almost the same thing. I'm looking for a drop before I look for buy. And as a matter of fact, the buying have been already losing momentum. So I don't expect it to go up to this blue box before it drops. So I expect it to drop before it goes to this blue box, where we have about wave 5 before the big sale will start. Pounds card. Pounds card made a surprise, not even a surprise drop. On pounds card, I know that I forecasted that we will have a drop towards the blue box, but it drops so sharp. Now that it drops so sharp, I don't think we will have a buy setup soon. Now this is what I'm expecting now on pounds card. I'm expecting a correction, another drop. Then after that, maybe the drop may break this low or even this low. I don't know, but I'm expecting another drop. Then after that drop, we look for buy setup to go up again. That's all for pounds card. Pounds New Zealand. I'm just looking for this pair. I don't trade it now. I don't like the way the structure is. I don't like the structure. But in any case, if you're trading it, what I'm expecting is I'm only expecting a move that will break this low. After that, I look for buy. Okay, so that's all for it. And your stop loss will be somewhere here. Okay, now furthermore, to sell it, wait for the close below this line, then you sell, take profit here. but it will likely break this low or even this low before it will go up again. For those who are trading it, I don't like this structure now, so I don't trade it now. Pound ZAR and USD ZAR is doing the same thing. I expected a little correction like this and go up. Rather, it is going deep. I want to go. It's going deep. I am now looking for a correction like this and another drop. So I prefer to sell. This is wave A. When wave B goes up, I would like to sell towards here or a break of this low. Okay. Pounds AUD. Pounds AUD and pounds New Zealand don't look good to me, so I'm a kind of not selling or buying them for now. But where I can see it coming to this very blue box, it's not an interesting chart for me for now. Those two pairs, I want to focus on other pounds pairs, so I advise you to do so. New Zealand card. New Zealand card, because of this sharp sell, which I don't expect, I'm looking for a correction and a further sell. We will likely come to this very trend line. This is either daily or weekly trend line, so I'm expected to come down to this trend line. Though for long as I know that it's going here, but I don't expect it to be so sharp. But you can see it is sharp, so it's even good. When we get a correction, then we sell again. New Zealand JPY. This is A. This is wave A. This is wave B. I think the wave B is over in the blue box. Once we get to wave C, then it will be a good structure. A zigzag, then we look for buy. That's all. New Zealand chef. Once this line is broken properly, you get the wave C confirmation, and after wave C we buy, and before then we will have a good setup, that is a zigzag, and we look for buy to get our wave 5. This is wave 3, 4, we now buy for wave 5. So to trade this will be good if when this channel breaks properly. USD ZAR and GBP ZAR, the same thing, no difference. This selling off is sharp. For that, this for me is A, this will be C. That is, this is A, this A of B, B of B, C of B. So I'm looking for wave C down. Before now, I'll be seeing this as wave 1, this 2, then 3 will go. But for now, I see the price going down to break this low again, because the weakness of dollar is something to worry about. So if you are bullish on this, and if your trade is open, maybe when this happens, take your profit and watch out. Okay. This pair, I remember on this pair that we are looking to enter the buy, but I want to see a good corrective move before I buy. So for now, I haven't seen it, unless it will happen from here. Unless if it will happen from here, then that will be fantastic. Okay, so a good correction will give us the reason to, when we get zigzag, something like this, you can buy. For now, I'll just be watching it for now. I want to see something like this before I buy it. Or this can be A, B, C. Maybe it has started to happen. Okay. I think I have to stop here. There's no time. I have only 30 minutes left. Let me know if I can use it to post the video. So for now, you can join our Telegram channel. You can join our subscribe and like our video. For questions, ask your questions below the comments. Join our Telegram channel and ask your questions. Trade with care. Remember to stop loss. Don't to overtrade. Bye bye.